Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. Another open box day. I love open box days. I'm in my office, just got this from my FFL. Let's see. Just got it open. Here it is. It is a Rock Island Armscor EFS. I don't know what it stands for, but I suppose FS means full size. E maybe what, extra maybe? This is G10 grips, and it has extended beaver tail, has hollow out trigger, has serrations on both front and back, and G10 grips, extended grip safety. This is Cerakoted, Rock Island. Kind of dirty. It's in 45 ACP, 5-inch barrel. Let me cut that sign off. So these are the rounds that was fired. Let's take out. Highest mark on the firing pin. Nice. 45 auto. So G10 grips. Skeletonized hammer. Kind of dirty, so I'm going to have to wipe it down. It has extended controls here. A-round magazine. So I have nothing but good luck with Rock Islands. They are very reliable and well made. Highly recommended. I will have to take it to a hog wild range for some shooting. I will post that when it's available. Cerakoted, gunmetal gray. Fit and finish is excellent. I'm gonna have to paint those dots black. I mean white. No rattle whatsoever. Yep. Cool. Thank you for watching.